Hello kids, Mr. Campbell here once again. We're going to do a little session on multiplication, 3-digit by 1-digit, using the standard algorithm. And I got to tell you, your parents are going to be really excited because finally we are doing something in multiplication that looks like the way they learned it. Certainly looks like the way I learned it back in 1976 when Mrs. Pitts was teaching us how to do multiplication at Latham Elementary School in Winston-Salem. So I hope that the parents are relieved to see this, and I hope that this lesson, more importantly, gives you a little bit of relief if you are having struggles with your 3-digit by 1-digit standard algorithm multiplication. Let's take a look. So we're going to take a look at 423 times 4. 423 times 4. Now the thing with the standard algorithm is we are doing just single digit times single digit throughout this entire problem. And we're going to start with 3 times 4. Okay, so we're looking at 3 times 4. So what is 3 times 4, boys and girls? I think I can hear you loud and clear out there somewhere in the universe saying that 3 times 4 is equal to 12. And that is true. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. However, since we are doing standard algorithm and we're using 3 digits times 1 digits, I can only write the 2 here, and then my 1 from this tens place needs to be regrouped right here above the 2 that's in the tens place in 423. So let's go ahead and regroup that now. So now I've done 3 times 4, which is 12. I've written the 2 from the 12 in the ones place, and I've regrouped that 1 that's in the tens place of the 12 right up here and above the 2 in the tens place of 423. So I'm done with this first step. Now it's time for the next step. My next step is going to be 2 times 4 plus 1. Okay, so I have to do 2 times 4 plus 1. What is 2 times 4? Well, 2 times 4 is 8, Mr. Campbell. And if I add 1 more to that, what do I get? 9. Boom, 9. So 2 times 4 plus 1 is 9. Guess what? I'm done with the second step. All right? And at this point, I know that 23 times 4 is 92. Okay? Now, what's the last step I need to focus on? 4 times 4. Well, what is 4 times 4, boys and girls? 4 times 4 is 16. Now, I told you earlier when we did 3 times 4 that we had to regroup this 1 up here. When we do 4 times 4, we would regroup this 1 above the thousands place if there were anything here. But since there's nothing here, we just go ahead and slide it into place right alongside the 6. So right now we have a number of 1,692. Now, one thing that's missing from our number is our little comma. And once we throw that comma in, we are done with this problem. 423 times 4 is equal to 1,692. Okay? I know this video may have been a little bit quick. The great thing about videos, you can watch it again and again and again and again and again. But here, again, like I've said all year long and like I've said my entire career, one of the greatest things that you can understand as a 4th grader in math is your single digit times single digit multiplication. Because if you can do single digit times single digit, you can master the standard algorithm, because at the end of the day, you're just multiplying single digit times single digit over and over again. Okay? Single digit times single digit. Even when the numbers become much larger, you're still doing single digit times single digit. Okay? I hope this video helped, and parents, I hope this brought you some relief as well. Have a great evening. I will talk to you later.